Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to episode 17 of ATV Farms. I know I'm coming to you guys a little late, but it wasn't practical for me to have the camera up earlier this morning. So, another information video regarding tomorrow morning when we hopefully have calves. So, we're set to have 2 of them, and tonight's video is going to be a work video because we're going to be unloading bedding to set up the calving pens because we're putting the cows in tonight, and then hopefully they have their calves either late tonight, early tomorrow morning, or early tomorrow morning. And also, Happy New Year's Eve, folks. This will be the last episode of 2025. Tomorrow morning starts the 2026 episode. Peace.